Hello children. I think all are sitting at home and enjoying the rain. Sit not. It is good to admire and enjoy the rain, but don't go and play in the rain. Okay? Meanwhile, also try to study. Hmm? Okay. In our last class, what did we see? We saw about sentences. Do you remember that? Yes, what is sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Sentence begins with capital letter and ends with end mark. Sentence will also have a verb. Is it not? These are the basic points to be noted. Now, shall we do the work exercise from the textbook? Yes, take your textbook and take the first exercise. First look at the picture and observe what all things are there, what they are doing, everything. And come, let's do the. Look at the picture. Match the columns to complete the sentences. First one. Granny is working in the garden. How will you find out the correct answer? First read all the sentences at the right side and select which is the right one. Which will be the answer now? Did you find it out? Yes, B. With Jaya. Next one. Sheila and Papa are. What are they doing? Playing cricket. So write the F. There is a tray of oranges. Where is the tray of oranges? On the table. So D. Mummy is sitting at the table and what is she doing? And reading a newspaper. I can see trees. Where can you see the trees? In the background. A purple umbrella. What is a purple umbrella? Can you see it? Yes, is protecting mummy from the sun. Okay. Let us go to the next one. Rearrange the group of words to form sentences. Remember to use punctuation marks. First one, read by have you, Ronaldo, any books? How will you rearrange this now? Yes, have you read any books by Ronaldo? Question mark. Remember, begin the sentence with capital letter and end it with end mark. Hot, what a day. What a hot day. It's an exclamation. So we are putting exclamation mark. Largest, the in world ocean, the which is. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Question mark. It is a questioning. The are there looking kittens for mother. So how will you arrange it now? The kittens are looking for their mother. This is just a statement. So full stop. Please with you your take little sister. Please take your little sister with you. Full stop. Favorite my spinach vegetable is. Spinach is my favorite vegetable. Full stop. Now the remaining you try to do it yourself. Okay? Come to the next one. That is kinds of sentence. We saw in our last class. Do you remember that? Always be thorough with this. Okay? How many kinds of sentence are there? 4 kinds. What are they? Statement. What is a statement? States a fact or opinion. That is, Delhi is the capital of India. I want to do my homework. The statement ends with full stop. Interrogative sentence asks questions. Questioning form. Example, are you from Mumbai? It's a question, so question mark. Imperative sentence, that is request or order. It may come in both ways. Please give me a pen. Don't take my book. The first one is request and the second one is order. It ends with full stop. Exclamatory sentence, strong or sudden feeling. What a wonderful picture. Wait, that bridge is rotten. So we put it the exclamatory marks. Okay. You can go through the previous video if you want, if you are not much clear. Now let us do the exercise. Activity C. Write statement or imperative for each sentence in this pass. You must identify to which group of sentence it belongs and you must write it over there. Lie down for a while if you are tired. It is a request, so imperative. I'm tired. It is simply a statement. So we are writing the statement. Ritu said she would reach a little late. It's a statement. Ritu should not be late. It's an order, imperative. You must go to see the Chitradurga fort. That is imperative. We visited the Chitradurga fort. Statement. Have a safe journey. Imperative. They had a safe journey. Statement. I would love to run on the grass. That is a statement. Don't walk on the grass. That is an imperative. Okay. Page number 9. Activity D. Match the words in the column to make meaningful sentence. My cat. First you must read down all the sentence in the right side. Then find out the answer. The first one is done, is it not? So what will be the answer? Has 5 kittens. Laila didn't go to school today. A small puppy followed me home today. Are your friends planning a picnic? Mary's bracelet was made of silver. Karan's mother took him to the dentist. Did you use shampoo when you washed your hair? I found this 10 rupee note lying on the floor. Okay. Now activity 8. Write I for imperative sentence and E for exclamatory sentence. As we did earlier, you must identify each sentence and write the first letter. I love mango ice cream. What is it? Imperative or exclamatory? Exclamatory. So write E over there. Ask Prakash if he has a ticket. It will be imperative. Please be very quick in this road. That is imperative. Ouch, that water is burning hot. Exclamative. That is not fair. Exclamative. Please lend me a pencil. That is imperative. Keep it in your mind while we are doing exclamative. Don't forget to write the exclamative mark. Okay. Come to the next page. Page number 10. Write questions for these statements. The statement or the answer is given. We will have to form questions. Okay. The architect George Wittig designed the Gateway of India. How will you change it into questioning form? Yes. Who designed the Gateway of India? Question mark. Don't forget to write question marks. Second one. Kanika has gone to Kolkata for some work. Using the clues, we have to form the question. So, where. How will you form? Where is Kanika? Third one. The holidays will begin next week. When? When will your holidays begin? Fourth one. We will come home by bus. How? How will you come home? Atul tidied up the room. Who? Who tidied up the room? Mummy said we should come home now. What did Mummy say? A baby bear is called a fawn. What is a baby bear called? This is how we are supposed to change it. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Change these sentences as directed in the bracket. This has been such an exciting day. This is an exclamatory sentence. You have to change it into statement. First one is done for you. This has been an exciting day. The sun always sets in the west. Change it into interrogative. Does the sun always set in the west? Question mark. That was a scary movie. Change it into exclamatory. What a scary movie it was. End with exclamatory mark. You're very kind. Change it into exclamatory. How kind you are. Exclamatory mark. I would like a glass of water. Imperative. Get me a glass of water, please. Full stop. You must be sleepy. Change it into interrogative. Are you sleepy? Question mark. Children, I hope you are clear with these exercises. If you have any doubt, you can call me. And practice this in your rough note. Okay, copy it in your textbook and keep your textbook that side and write in your rough note and practice. Be thorough with this. Until the next class. Today we saw sentences and kinds of sentences. In the next class we will be seeing subject and predicate. Okay. Until then, be safe. Thank you children. Bye.